Make a great choice today with the 2020 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.